fire on George and his friend Shamil Ali. Miceman was known as a major figure in the drug trade in Maracas, St. Joseph. Last January, he was shot along with his common-law wife in an incident in La Ceiba along Maracas Royal Road.
Samantha, is that Colonel Miceman George went to the police station, the Maracas St. Joseph police station, and signed. Of course, he had that was from a previous case, and one of the conditions in the court that he had to come to the police station and sign. So he came to the police station, and there was a Hilux and a Lancer that came. They followed him in an attempt to shoot him. But according to the reports that we have, unconfirmed that is, they got into shootout with nearby police who were passing through the area, leaving Colonel Miceman George dead, and another guy identified as Lalchan, not confirmed yet, also dead. So 2 persons have died. Understand too that a police officer was also shot and injured.
Good day, my wonderful people. It's me again, the great countryman. Remember to like, share, and subscribe, and hit your notification button. Country boss, country girl, silent, nuclear, 306, JA, country squad. Big up on yourself. Now, look at the screen in front of you. This is Trinidad style. Well, the guy in front of you, him name Miceman. Trinidad him come from. But take a minute and examine this picture and see what you see in this picture. Because when me first see the picture, I say, what that behind him? You see, appear money there behind the man. Appear money there behind the man, you know. Look for stacks and stacks of money. Anyways, we're going to move on. I'm going to tell you about that youth here. Because them slap him way. And them slap him way in a really crazy way, dog. May I tell you, me can't believe how the man them take out Miceman George. The man them at Trinidad. And on a joke thing. Yo, the youth here, him do a whole heap of things and get caught up. You understand? Because them say him is from the news clip. When you see the news clip, them say him is a rate man. So him is a hustler. And him involved heavily in a them thing there. Yo, him come from the south, from the St. Joseph area in Trinidad. And him say him is a known gang banger, especially gang leader. You understand? Now, in 2006, him get charged with a slapware, and the judge threw out the case in 2011 because they must say the witness wasn't credible. So the judge fling it away. Now, appear things in there Trinidad are doing now. In 2016, them blow some grains off of him and his wife. Now, you see how the man them a deal with the thing at Trinidad though. Rebel 6 them kick in him door and go in there. The other youth, the Sandman, me I do film video too. Them deal with him cool. You understand? The man them at Trinidad now play. So they blow some grains off of him and his wife. And that he missed that. Now the police them say him was a marked man, marked for death. I don't know what make them say that, but the man them say he was marked for death. And look at this video that I'm gonna show you. Now I'm gonna give you the premise on the video. The next clip for me I gonna play, them show how the man them go for him. The man them go for him in front of one police station when him go sign in. I wanna see the video. Watch this. Now, watch this video. Notice a car shot out, so. And you see another car shot to the right. You understand? Watch the video, see another white car, see two white car. You understand? Watch this. Just watch this. Watch it, you know. The man them round there, upon him. You see the smoke and them thing there? Alright, watch this. You see the shadow of the man them? See the car pull up now? See another car come back round there? See the man them back out them right there and blow some brains and thing and then jump back round on the left side there, so. See it? And jump back in the car, see some other man there run too. 3 other man are run. You understand? Now, I saw them deal with him. Right there, so with the man them there in front of one police station. Cause sign him, go sign in. And I come out of the police station now and drive off. And the man them know say him there. The man know what time. And then the man them use one car and lick him. And then come down upon him with 2 other car. And him and him friend in the car. You understand? So, when you see how that go, right there, so, I saw the man them deal with him. So, may I tell you now, it no normal down at Trinidad. It no normal. Now, when you see that video there, and see how the man them come film, dog. The man them come film in a wicked way. All the police get grazed. Cause, so when the last man there come out with the tall up, and also blop, blop. You see what I say? Down on the left side there. And a law boy there and get caught up. I push him head. I try to come out of the station. You understand? So, I saw the man them deal with him. Now, like me say the man them, at Trinidad I make more money than the man in my yard. By far. The man them at Trinidad, them in a better neighborhood when it comes to certain things. Because a man can't swim go to Venezuela. You understand? You can bring one $500 or $1,000 to Venezuela and come back nice. Right across the road it there. You see what I say? So, the man them over there, so, them have more money and more everything. You understand? The man they not for go Haiti, for go get them tall up on them things like Jamaica. The man them get it right in a them zone, in a them neighborhood. So, like me say, me no know what him could have do. You look on the video, you hear the news report, we see the picture them, and all me know say, a dirt him get him slap where, and that's it. You not even hear nothing more about him thing. But Anybody who have information on this, because this is one thing, one story, one case we want to follow. Link Countryman and make me know. But yeah, the man them at Trinidad, me I highlight them, dog. The man them are going way down there. And look how the man them dress. Look what the man them a do. Look on the youth, a Miceman. Young youth. So me I say, him just reach the prime of him life. And them dash him way. You understand? In front of a police station. So the man them now play. You understand? My name is Countryman. Remember to like, share, and subscribe. And remember to hit your notification button. Check out the WhatsApp group. Check out the membership section. My Patreon page coming. Work with me. I thank everybody. I thank all the subscribers. Them. Country gal, big up yourself. This is Countryman. I'm out.